after I folded it up like this, you see, you could decorate it on the outside, and that's a fun ornament on its own to give as a, you know, little gift that someone can blow up or play around with. But it's also a nice thing because you can look into this hole. So if before we fold it, we draw a picture on the inside of the paper that you can look at through the hole, this is a really fun thing for kids. So what I usually do is I make the paper balloon, and then I just gently take it apart like this. Or you could do the first bit of folding and then do your coloring. But as you can see, this is the part where you're going to look at the picture. When you look through the hole, you're going to see just this small section inside. And here we could write a little message like happy birthday. Or you could, whatever you'd like to write in there. You can, here, let me, it's not such a good color for that. Maybe we'll make a birthday cake. Just draw something quickly so you can get the idea. And now when we fold this up, this picture will be on the inside. And when the person gets it, they can blow it up, and you'll write a little note saying, please look inside, and they'll get a special message. And we'll just fold that back up nice and quickly since it's already been folded. They can look right in there. Now maybe I'll cut it open a little bit bigger so that you can see with the camera. It's a little harder to blow up when the hole is so big, but you can see right in there that there's a message. Now to secure the balloon, if you want, you can tape a little bit on the edge, these flaps right here. A piece of tape or a sticker is nice to hold that together. It's not necessary, but this will fold nice and flat in an envelope to send for a special gift.